Hey everybody, good morning or good afternoon depending on when you're seeing this. Obviously I'm not here today, so you're going to be working with your substitute. Your sub currently has your group pairings. You're either in a pair of 2 or in a group of 3. You're going to be rotating through 6 different stations for 12 minutes. Okay, so it's really important after this video is over that you guys get in your groups and get going so you can get through all 6 today. Alright, on each table there are going to be at least 3 copies of what needs to be completed. Alright, do not write on those. Do not write on those. They're going to be used for this period, the next period, and the period after, okay? What you guys are going to write on are these little packets here. I've got one for everybody. All right, make sure your name goes at the top and what class period. They are broken up into boxes right here for each station. So station 1, station 2, okay? The station 1 does not mean the station you start at. It means legitimately station 1. So if you start at station 5, then go fill out station 5, okay? There are enough boxes for each number of questions, so that should also be figure out which station you should be writing it in, because if there are 12 questions at station 2 and you're looking at boxes that only have 6 boxes there, then you're at the wrong one. Okay, so make sure you guys rotate through. Just go in order. If you start at 2, go to 3. If you start at 3, go to 4, and just keep going until you get to all 6 of them. Station 5 is a Ken. You can just use the whiteboard markers on there. I should see 3 whiteboard markers back on that table when I come back on Monday. Alright, so you can erase that and just work on them from there. Again, everything you're doing is you're working as a group. So you can work with the people in your group or in your pair to work on this stuff together. If you don't know something, just try. Try your best. I want to see what your thought process was, okay? Put as much work on here as you can. I'll be able to tell what's an appropriate amount of work. I know some of you might not finish all the problems there. That's fine. But I'll be able to tell. If you have 2 problems done, someone else has 10 or 12 done, there was a problem there. You didn't do enough work. Okay, I want you guys to make sure you rotate through. When you're done, take this paper and put it into the box that goes with your class, okay? Make sure it gets in there with your name. If I don't see it in there, no credit. I'm going to grade this for credit, and if it's not completed to where I think you did enough work, that's a phone call home with me, you, and your parent, okay? Remember, I'm saying this very clearly into this camera right now. If you have a problem with the substitute, if she leaves your name down, that is going to be between you and Mr. Cornett. I'm not dealing with that. You will go meet with him and he will deal with you in that way. Okay, so like I told you before, not doing your work is a problem between me and you. Not following expectations or living up to the responsibilities you're supposed to have when a substitute is in class, that is on you. So make good choices and don't screw this up for yourself. Alright, if you need to borrow a pencil or pen, make sure you give it back. Rotate in your groups, get the work done, go on to your next period. Have a great weekend. I'll see you guys when I get back on Monday.